Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your power supply of your Canon Pixma printer. This is a TS5000 model. If you have a system which does not have any function anymore, often it is the power supply which is damaged. That means you can replace this really easy on that kind of printers in the TS5000 series of Canon Pixma printers. The only thing we will need is a flat screwdriver for that and our hands. Let's move forward. We're going to place the Pixma printer upside down, and I will rotate it that you can better see where it is. Here it is. This direction is the front, this is the rear side. And at the side where your power supply is, that means you plug in here, over here where my finger is, here you plug in the power cable, and this area here is the power supply. Now you can see this lever here and that lever. You now need a flat screwdriver, go in and lift it up a little bit. Go in and lift it up. And so you can remove the entire power supply. You can see this is the area where we can connect the power line. Now we rotate this a little bit and we can see there is a blue wire. Okay, this blue wire is supported, that it stays in position with this ring over there. And this ring is locked with this mechanism, okay? We lift up this mechanism and at the same time, we can remove this part. That means the ring. You can push or pull it out. Lift it up a little bit and get it out. Here we are. Here it is. Job's done. So then the next step is the connection. Here this is the port. We are going to move out this now out of the socket. Here we are. Job's done. And now our power supply is removed, as you can see. Now we can see the informations of our power supply. In this case, it's the input from 100 to 240 volt, 50-60 Hz, 0.55 ampere, and the output is 32 watt and 0.45 ampere, and 24 watt and 0.3 ampere. So that we can replace, or we can of course fix and make a renew of that. It's possible too, as you like. So now we have a new one. The first step is we are getting this connection done first. Here we are. Get this back, and it should be locked. Okay. Then we come back with our ring here. Get this ring back in position and let it dock in position again. Here we are. We have to lift this a little bit up, and then we can go continue this process. So lift it up, get back in position. Here we are. And now the only thing is we push it back, the power supply, we push back in position, just done. Yeah, that's really easy, I think, because this is often a solution for a printer failure where it is only black screen, where it does not have any kind of function. Then this solution is often the way that fixes your problem. This is how to replace your power supply on your Canon Pixma TS5000 series printer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.